Hello everybody, my name is Lisa and today on Pressure Crisp. Now today is my last day in Vegas. Yes, final day, I gotta head back to New York. But I hope to return in the fall so we can continue the Aunt Ruthy taste testing videos. And also, I'm gonna get her own Ninja FOODI grill and I'm gonna teach her how to do it. I get her the Ninja FOODI, but because of her shoulders, she has a loss of range of motion and she would continuously burn her forearms. In a couple months when I return, she will be using the Ninja FOODI grill. She loves the way it cooks bacon. She loves the way it cooks fish. And that, yeah, she's 85 years old. She can do this. Whatever she puts her mind to, whatever you can put your mind to, you can accomplish and succeed. So let's get talking about today's video. I am making, this is a Santa Maria recipe beef tri-tip. So it's already seasoned. It has seasoning, it has oil in there, vinegar, liquid smoke, and rosemary extract. I just picked this up fast. I found this, I think, at Sam's Club. We're gonna be making a tri-tip as our last video in Vegas in the Ninja FOODI grill. So without further ado, let's get this tri-tip started. We're gonna turn it on and we're gonna roast this. I'm gonna bring it down to 350. This is a size, this is a 3-pound hunk of meat and I wanna make sure it's cooked. We're gonna cook it to medium rare. I am gonna hit start because I want this to preheat. And I'm gonna open this over the sink. Oh, it smells good. The spices smell good. I can smell it from here. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Now I forgot all my thermometers in New York. I forgot my wired thermometer and I forgot my favorite thermometer, the meter thermometer. So, my aunt does have an OXO, like the old-fashioned type of thermometer. It will work. It'll be fine. It'll be great. I'm going to take this roast. Oh, a little piece fell off. That's going to be like a little Scooby snack. Now we're going to try to get this in the middle. This is going to be a messy job. Or as close as we can. Because this isn't a very large piece of meat. There. We're going to try it that way, just like that. It's preheated. We're going to raise the lid. Oh, no sizzling. Oh boy, it's only 350. Ouch. And I'm going to take that little Scooby snack and just put that off to the side. Go ahead and lower the lid. I'm going to bump it up to an hour. But I'm going to check this in like 15 minutes and turn it over. Let me check on this. Let me see. 10 minutes has gone by. I just want to look at it. That is some nice color on top there. I am going to take this tri-tip and turn it. I am checking the internal temperature. It's almost 60 degrees. Go ahead and close the lid. And it smells fantastic. It's been cooked. Oh yeah, look at that brownage. No, this smells really, really good. I'm going to push that thermometer in just a bit because the meat has shrunk a bit. And I'm trying to read the thermometer. It is almost 100 degrees. Now, like I said before in some earlier videos, my aunt likes well done food, so she's actually going to get the ends. This might touch just a bit, but we're just going to brown that up. But we want to bring this up at least like 10 or 15 more degrees. And it is hitting the top. I can feel it when I put the lid down. So I'm going to watch this, and I'll probably let it cook for like anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, and then turn it on its other side. So the whole thing gets that delicious caramelized brownage on it. Aunt, are you looking forward to the beef?
No, not really.
Yeah, she's just not, I know, she's just not a beef eater, everybody.
It smells absolutely wonderful.
So like 5 minutes has gone by, and yes, we're getting some beautiful color. We are up to, I'm trying to read this thermometer sideways here. We are getting there. I might pull, oops, yeah, I just got stuff everywhere. I'm going to let this cook maybe for a few more minutes, and I think this is going to be done because the carryover is going to take it above 120. Let me give it 5 more minutes of cook time, and we're going to pull it. You know what I should do? Let's get smart about this, Lise. We have an instant read thermometer. Let's put it smack dab in the middle there. Yeah, this is 110, 19. Yep. 5 more minutes, we're going to pull it, and then the carryover should bring it up well above 120. All right, this thing is done. This tri-tip is done. I'm going to pull it. Look at that. Gorgeous. Putting it right over here on a baker's rack. Now I'm going to let this rest probably for like 15-20 minutes. Okay, here's that Santa Maria tri-tip. Close up of it. I know the lighting is pretty bad here, but I'll get a light next year. Okay, Aunt Ruthie's going to do that taste test for us.
This is wonderful. It is well done.
Oh, got it. It is, yeah, trust me.
Otherwise, the least bit of pink, I wouldn't be able to eat it.
Let me just get it down here.
Mmm.
What do you think of the spices? Be honest.
I don't know what it is. I know rosemary's one of them, but I don't know what the other ones are, but it's delicious. And the smell of it cooking. Mmm.
And it's well done, everybody. She loves well done stuff.
The flavor, it's delicious. Is that rare?
Yeah, inside. The inside is rare. So what I'm going to do is cut off both ends. You can have both ends. All I
I
want
already
is...
got an end.
Well, you can have the other end. I don't want that. I'm not going to eat well done meat. Yeah.
Good.
All right, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the notifications button. And Aunt, you're going to say see you later so long? Or her mouth is full?
Well, I'll tell you something. Today is my last video day.
Yep.
And thank you all for the comments you made on the breakfast one, which I have every day. Sometimes I skip the eggs and have a Thomas English muffin, 100 calories with the bacon on it. Have to do that just for a change. But I will be back with you again, hopefully in September. And then we'll do some picnics for fun.
Yep. And we'll be able to eat outside where it's not 115 degrees.
Oh, I know. Today it's going to be 113, tomorrow 114.
But it is overcast somewhat, a little bit.
And then we're going to drop down to a cool day, 108.
All right. Take care, everybody.
Good. This is good.
Do you really like it?
Yes, it's good.
I'll have to try it. I tried a little piece.
Probably the smell of it is what did it.
Yeah, it's a smell. The smell is spectacular.
Doesn't look like it's rare enough for you.